What's up, everybody? This is Jay, and I'm here with another quick product review. All right, so I was contacted by this company, Vont, on Instagram, and they wanted me to do a quick product review. So they sent me the product, and what it is LED night lights. So if you're younger, you have kids, older people, whatever the case, where it's difficult for them to see, you can have these LED night lights. They save you on batteries. They also save you on electricity. And it also got a couple other features. So let me go ahead and check it out. Let me go ahead and unbox this and cut this tape. Got my Rambo knife ready. Adrian. All right. So this comes with the LED night lights. Let's open it on up, see how it plays out. So this package here has 6 LED night lights. Okay? 6 you can put throughout the entire house for the most part. And it works real simple because all you got to do is plug it in. It's literally plug and play. So with that being said, let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to take them on out of here. All right, and here it is. Just that simple. It's got the LED light in there, and it's also, that's the sensor so that you know, so that it knows when there's no light detected in the middle. And this perimeter is what actually lights up. So what I'm going to do now is cut to a video of it working in progress and check it on out. So this is dope. It doesn't use much power. It doesn't take up extra outlets. It automatically comes on whenever you need it. And it is actually pretty bright. It gets the job done. And if you need it brighter, you can always plug in more than one. This is a 4 outlet in my house. And as you see, it doesn't take up any of the extra outlets like the old fashion night lights where you had the bulb and it take up 2 outlets or whatever the case. This is very small, compact, and gets the job done. Not bad. And it actually turns on and off automatically with the sensor in the middle. So you don't have to remember to turn it on and remember to turn it off. It automatically works. Not bad. I'm going to put a link in the description box below if you want to get some. It's pretty cheap, and you can get some for as low as $10. So, with that being said, go ahead and check out Vont. And also, they said they're going to have some promo codes or some giveaways for you. So, I'll be passing along the savings. I'm Jay, and I'm done. I'm out of here. Peace. Deuces.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like, subscribe, bang that bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.